Find the area of the following shapes. Now they're both trapeziums. The formula for a trapezium, sorry, I'm in yellow, let's just change to blue. The formula is that you add the parallel sides. So we'll call the parallel sides A plus B in our formula. You multiply that by the distance between the parallel sides, which we'll call h, and then divide by 2. So here my parallel sides are the 7 and the 10. So that's going to be 7 plus 10. The distance between the parallel sides, which we can tell because of the right angle here, is the 4. And then divide that by 2. You can use your calculator to make the calculation look exactly like that. So, using a fraction template, open a bracket and do 7 add 10, close the bracket, multiply by 4, and then divide by 2. That gives us 34. And all the lengths were centimeters, so that's square centimeters. Now here, my parallel sides are the 5 and the 12, and the distance between them is the 6. So that's going to be, sum the parallel sides, 5 plus 12, multiplied by 6, and divide that by 2. So let's get the calculator out on that. So we have, open a bracket, 5 add 12, multiply by 6, and divide the result by 2, and that gives us 51, and all of those were centimeters, so that's 51 square centimeters. Now this next shape is a kite, and what we're being given is the length of the two diagonals. We're told this one is 10 and this one is 6. And for a kite, the formula is xy divided by 2, where x and y are the lengths of the diagonals. So it's just going to be 6 times 10 divided by 2. 60 divided by 2 is 30, in this case, square millimeters. Now this shape is a rhombus. Now a rhombus is interesting because it's both a kite and a parallelogram. So which formula you use, whether you use the kite formula or the parallelogram formula, really depends on the information given. And here we're being given the length of diagonals, so we treat it as a kite. So xy divided by 2. But note, we've got to be careful here. This one's in centimeters, this one's in meters. So let's suppose we're going to give the answer in square meters. So this would be 5 meters. So that one would be 12 times 5 divided by 2, which is 60 divided by 2. So that's 30 square meters. But if we were to do it in centimeters, this one's 500. This one would be 1,200. So that would be, so xy divided by 2, the formula is the same, but it would be 1,200 times 500, which is 30 with 4 zeros added. So 300,000 square centimeters.